Hello everyone, so in this video today, I will be teaching guys watching how to find and remove viruses from your iPhone. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing that we can do is to simply go to settings, and then from there, simply go to the apps, then search for Safari, and from here, scroll down till you see the option of close tabs. You will see various options, but to us the most important is advanced. Then click on those. Then from here, simply see for website data. Then wait for website data to simply view on your screen. It may take some time. So in website data, you are seeing that there are various website data. To ensure that no viruses are installed on your phone, please remove all website data, because sometimes these malicious websites give when you're basically browsing the internet, these malicious websites load your phone with viruses that are automatically installed, causing your phone to basically not function properly. Another thing or another step that can be taken is to simply go to your apps library, then search for files, and from here simply uh, see of your what you want to say, search for or see any suspicious websites or files, sorry, that you don't have yourself installed, but are suspicious and out of the blue, if you want to say, and are basically not installed by you, and you never remember installing them. So basically check for them, and if they are something that you don't remember installing, and it is kind of suspicious, delete it, because it may be a virus that is affecting your phone from working properly. So these are two ways in which you can find and delete viruses on your iPhone. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.